Hey YouTube family, Mike Jones here, back with another video on my channel where we talk about all things investing and personal finance with the genuine hope that I will be able to inspire those people that are watching this video to go ahead and get started with their financial freedom journey today. With that said, today we're going to go ahead and be talking about my Webull portfolio and the updates that have happened to it over the last week. As you know, we went ahead and transferred most of my Webull portfolio over to my Fidelity portfolio, which I will not be doing videos for anymore after this last Fidelity update, because I just feel like people aren't really responding to it and like don't really want to see that. So I'm going to try other things on my channel to get more of an audience. But with that said, let's go ahead and get right into my Webull portfolio. Oh, and if you haven't already, if you would just take a moment to go ahead and smash that like button, hit the subscribe, and hit that noti bell so you never miss out on any videos that I post on this channel, that would be really awesome. Thank you. Alrighty, so as you can see, we're at $1,838.19. The market is closed right now, and today we lost $83.14 for a 4.5% loss. As the day's profit and loss, we lost $4.74, so it's not too bad. As far as like why it's down $83, I believe it's because we had a cash balance of about over $101, and with the transfer that we had for the Fidelity portfolio, they took $75 out. So add that to what the $8 that we lost in the market today, and that's why it's a loss of $83.14. At least that's my hypothesis. But we'll go through the positions and I'll tell you my future plans for the portfolio. So we still have 12 positions in the portfolio, and as you can see, we have 4 shares of AM or Antero Midstream. It is a energy company that I was able to pick up via free shares or through a referral on Webull. By the way, if anybody is interested in helping me out and helping support this channel, you can go ahead and use the Webull referral link in the description, and that'll really help to go a long way to help support this channel. Actually, if I get three people to sign up before September 30th, I'll actually get a free share of Apple for the portfolio. So that would be really awesome. But with that said, moving on, we do have White Horse Financial, and we have 1 share here. It's gained 59 cents over since Friday, and so it's now at a value of $15.98. We do have Hyliion Holdings. We have 10 shares here. They are down $20.54 altogether for a 20% loss. Hyliion is a speculative stock that I have in this portfolio, as most of these positions are speculative. Not really worried about Hyliion. We also have Airbnb, which is a company that needs no introduction. It is up $18.94 for a almost 13% return so far. We'd love to get some more shares of Airbnb in this portfolio, especially since this is more of a focused growth portfolio going forward now. We do have Rocket Companies. We have 50 shares of Rocket Companies. Now, the reason for that is because we truly believe in what Rocket Companies is going to do over the long haul. And so we wanted to go ahead and build a solid position ahead of time. And so we went ahead and sold some stocks. And when we sold those stocks, we went ahead and used the money to go ahead and buy $1,000 worth of Rocket Companies. And so it's down $184.42, which is an 18% loss. But if it gets down to like $15 a share, that'll be awesome, because I'd love to buy another 50 shares at that $15 mark, so we can kind of dollar cost average our position as far as per share down. We also have Workhorse Group. We have 10 shares of Workhorse Group. That's down $79.78 for a 49% loss. This is another situation where it's a speculative stock like Hyliion that I'm really bullish on. Really think that it's going to have a big impact in the EV sector, and so because of that, I'm willing to lose 50% of this position and see what happens. We also have Helmrich, which we have 1 share of. We bought this over a year ago, and it's up $5.75 for a 27% return. We also have DraftKings. We have 5 shares of DraftKings, which we have gained $61.57 for a 25% return since we bought it. We also have SKT, or Tanger Factory, which is a REIT company that used to pay a ridiculous dividend. It was like $1.40 for a $6 share price, and now it's turned itself more into a growth company since it's suspended its dividend. And this is kind of the growth that I expect to see from Attn when they finally merge with Discovery. I don't know if you guys have heard the news about that, but Attn plans to basically slice its dividend in half next summer, so summer 2022 or spring of 2022, and it's going to merge with Discovery and become a whole new company. And so by cutting that dividend, I believe that's going to amplify the growth of Attn, and it won't be stuck at that $30 benchmark like it has been. But moving on, we do have Meredith, which is a share that we have that's up $29 for a 216% return. And then we have Halliburton, which is, I believe, an energy company as well. We have 2 shares here. We've gained $20, which is a 94.5% return, so almost 1x for us. Now, when we're talking about what are our plans for the portfolio, basically the plan is to build those speculative stocks that are going to be in the portfolio around some really solid stocks, some really solid growth stocks in particular, because we want to go ahead and grow this portfolio and see how fast we can grow it. Now the goal, the benchmark for this portfolio is to get it to $10,000. Now we would love for it to have a minimum profit of $1,000 and a maximum profit of around $3,000 to $3,500 in growth. So we're looking for essentially a 50% return on $6,000 that we will be investing in the portfolio. So we have about $4,200 or so to go before we should start seeing some growth. Now, the companies that we're thinking about putting around this, I will be revealing in a separate video. So thank you so much for watching today. If you just go ahead and smash that like button, hit the subscribe, maybe hit that notification bell so you never miss out on any content I post on this channel, that would be really awesome. And if you want to go ahead and support the channel, you can always hit one of the links in the description that will give me a referral bonus, and that'll bless me. So with that said, have a great one. Thank you and God bless, and I'll see you in the next one.